What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a phrasal verb. Show up. Show up. What is the meaning of this phrasal verb show up and how can you use this phrasal verb in your conversation? Let's get into the lesson. To arrive somewhere in order to join a group of people, especially late or unexpectedly. Show up means to appear or arrive. Let's look at the synonyms for the phrasal verb show up. Appear, turn up, unfold, reveal. These are the synonyms which have the same meaning of show up. And the antonyms for show up are be absent. The opposite for show up is be absent or leave. How can you use this phrasal verb show up in your conversation? Look here. We invited her for 10 o'clock, but she did not show up until 11. We invited her for 10 o'clock, but she did not show up until 11. It means she did not appear. She was absent. She did not arrive till 11 o'clock. And the next usage is, I was expecting 50 students to attend the exam, but half of them never showed up. I was expecting 50 students to attend the exam, but half of them never showed up. It means I was expecting 50 students to write the exam, but half of them did not come. Half of them were absent for the exam. So, show up means to arrive at a place where someone is waiting for you. Show something up means to make it possible to see or notice something that was not clear before. Hope you understood the meaning of the phrasal verb show up. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.